Hi there, I am Vijay Jethani, Cloud Solution Architect at Microsoft. This video is to let you know about this channel. This channel is intended to learn DevOps at your own pace. This is for beginners to advanced DevOps audience. Enablements are focused on Azure DevOps and GitHub Enterprise tools. There is a concept video for every workload. Building upon that, we will have hands-on lab which demonstrates step-by-step procedures for DevOps implementations. There are playlists which are tagged for beginners, intermediate, as well as advanced audience. Playlists are also organized by workloads. The content of this channel is latest and will be updated as soon as we have technical refresh about that workload. Know about the playlist, we follow this particular naming convention. Level hyphen workload description. To know about available playlist, we have beginner for DevOps concepts, followed by intermediate for Azure repos and pipelines, GitHub repos and pipelines. Then from here on, we have advanced playlist for hands-on lab with GitHub Actions, SQL workloads, NoSQL workloads, modern data warehouse, and finally the machine learning. Thanks for listening to video. Bye for now.